construction work runs with dedication, focus and commitment. Winntus is a committed and trusted brand of scaffolding industry since 1999 and now entered into aluminium formwork industry. It emerged in construction industry with having experience of more than 15 years. The Winntus is now focusing on greater contribution towards construction industry within India. Our vision is to meet global benchmark by providing high quality, safer and cost-effective formwork. Our mission is to be a part of developing the nation, building infrastructure and generating employment. We want to see India moving forward and developing continuously. So, we are constantly making progress in construction industry. We understand the demand and condition of the industry. We make promises and put our existence on the claim to fulfill them on time. We are offering our services across the country. We look forward to providing services in any region of the country. The company makes projects possible with the help of professional, dedicated and hardworking employees. Each of them have an experience of more than 10 years in the industry. That's how Winntus lives up to its promises. Aluminium Formwork is a construction system for forming cast-in-place concrete structure of a building. Winntus provides aluminium formwork for RCC, load-bearing, multi-story buildings and enables the walls and slab to be powered in the same operation. Winntus helps in increasing unsurpassed construction speed and saving on overhead expenses due to speedy construction. The new 3D structure model allows to eliminate plastering. Panels can be reused up to 150 times.
After serving the industry for more than 2 decades, now Winntus is taking a leap and venturing in aluminium formwork system. We will repeat and exceed the service standards to provide end-to-end solutions in aluminium formwork. Aluminium formwork increases efficiency and provide an extraordinarily strong structure with excellent concrete finish. It is very lightweight, easy manual handling, has long life and high salvage value. It helps us to get release the blocked capital at earliest, enabling the trade to achieve sizable cost optimizations. I believe Winntus will keep on improving to attain highest customer satisfaction and add more values to the trade.
The Winntus Aluminium Formwork is the fastest growing company in construction industry and has the potential to build the infrastructure of your dreams.